Welcome to Quinn Trading. I am Judy. If you're watching this, it means that you are curious about Forex trading. Maybe you are looking for a way to earn more without burning out yourself, or maybe you are working full-time and still can't seem to get ahead, or maybe you just want to learn a high-income skill, something that actually gives you options. Either way, I'm glad you are here, because what you're about to learn can either change the way that you see money and how you make it. Forex is more than just trading charts. It's one of the most accessible business in the world. You don't need to hire staff, you don't need a storefront, and you don't need thousands of dollars to get started. In fact, if you have a phone, an internet connection, and the willingness to learn, you're already halfway there. This is your 7-day Forex starter course, and over the next few short videos, I'm going to walk you through the basics step by step. You will learn what Forex is and how it actually works, what we really trade from currencies to commodities to indices, even crypto. How to place your very first trade, how to follow the signals properly so that you are never guessing, and most importantly, how to manage your risk like a pro. Now, I want to be upfront with you. This is beginner friendly. You don't need any trading experience. You don't need to be good at math, and you definitely don't need to be staring at the charts whole day. But I also want you to know that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Copying the signals is the easiest part. The hard part, and what takes the time, is building discipline and developing the right mindset to manage risk and control your emotions. Mindset is 90% of trading. Reading the charts is easy. Placing trades is easy. What takes the most time is managing yourself. So as you go through this course, yes, you will learn how to use the tools and follow the system, but you also need to work on you. And that's okay, because that is what we are here to support you through. Now, you will be trading on a demo account first. That gives you time to practice everything that you are learning without risking your real money. Our first goal is to ensure that you know how to protect your capital. Our second goal is to ensure that you know how to grow a small account safely and consistently. And our ongoing goal, the one that we will keep working on, is your mindset. Trading gives you a way to earn from anywhere on your terms. And by the time you finish this course, you will be confident enough to start practicing real trades with the right tools, the right structure, and the right mindset. So let's get started. So this is a quick disclaimer before we go any further. Trading carries risk, and past results don't guarantee future performance. This isn't financial advice, this is just education.